Welcome to English Excellence with Chhaya. Here we have one simple goal for you. We help you understand your current language proficiency levels and then recommend for you our best suited program from our level-wise spoken English courses. Do you struggle to speak in English? Then our Level 1 Spoken English program is the ideal solution for you. Learn with us the basics of grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary to become fluent and confident in English language conversation. If you fumble in English, if you are low in confidence, then join us and learn with us the basics, the fundamentals of English language conversation. Do you want to master English? Then our Level 2 Advanced English program is just what you need. Correct your grammatical errors, up your vocabulary game. Learn effective communication skills with our Level 2 program. Enhanced vocabulary, flawless pronunciation, coupled with speech practice with our experts is just what we offer you in our Level 2 program. Communication is the key to success in life. Learn to communicate effectively in English and express your thoughts, articulate your thoughts effectively in English with us. Join our Advanced English Language Communication program to master English language communication. Do you want a customized English language program? Something that is just for you? Then you've come to the right place. We offer the Level 3 English Language Excellence program, whereby we offer a tailor-made solution that is just right for you. How do we do this? We assess your current language levels and then customize, curate a program that is ideal for you, tailor-made for your requirements so that your specific learning needs are met. This is a premium program. Welcome and join us for our English Excellence program.